Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review NeuronWriter, an AI-powered software that can help you plan and optimize your content for Google rankings. If you want to learn more about this amazing tool and how it can boost your traffic and conversions, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy my content. So in this video, I will show you the demo of NeuronWriter. But before going into the demo, let me tell you what actually is NeuronWriter and why should you care. NeuronWriter is a software that combines semantic analysis, keyword research, and AI writing to help you create high-quality content that ranks well on Google. It's like having a professional SEO consultant and a talented writer in one tool. And the best part is you can get a lifetime deal of NeuronWriter on AppSumo, which is a platform that offers amazing deals on software and tools for entrepreneurs and content creators. You can get access to all the features and benefits of NeuronWriter for a one-time payment of only $89 instead of paying a monthly or yearly subscription fee. That's a huge saving and a great investment for your content creation and SEO. But wait, there is more. If you use my link in the description box below, you can get an extra 10% off on your purchase of NeuronWriter. That means you can get a lifetime deal of NeuronWriter for only $80.1, which is a steal. But hurry up because this offer is only valid for a limited time and it might sell out soon. So don't miss this opportunity to get NeuronWriter for a lifetime at a fraction of the cost. To get this deal, all you need to do is click the link in the description box below, create a new AppSumo account and buy NeuronWriter. It's that simple. Once you buy it, you can start using it right away and create amazing content that ranks high on Google. Sounds awesome, right? Let me show you how it works. First, you will be taken to this content writers page. Here you will see two options, new content and optimized content. So this new content option allows you to analyze the SERPs and the competition for any given query or keyword that you want to rank for. It also helps you write or optimize your content with the best SEO and NLP guidelines so you can create a high quality and relevant content that matches the user intent and the search engine algorithms. Then optimized content feature allows you to enter the URL of a page that you want to optimize along with the query, the country and the language that you want to target. For example, let's say I have a page of my website called example.com/car insurance, okay, that talks about the benefits of a car insurance and how to choose the best one for your needs. I want to optimize this page for the US audience in English and the query is car insurance. Once I enter this information, I can click on the start button and NeuronWriter will start analyzing my page and comparing it to the top ranking pages for this query. It will show me how my page perform in terms of SEO and user intent and what I need to do to improve it, okay? But I will start with this new content. So here you need to enter some basic information about your content such as the query or keyword, the country and the language. For example, let's say I want to create a blog post for the US audience in English, okay, and the query or keyword is how to start a podcast. Once I enter this information, I can click on the start button and NeuronWriter will start analyzing the search and the competition for this query. It will show me the top ranking pages for this query along with their scores, headings, subtopics, questions and keywords. So it will take some time, okay. Then click on this proceed to content writer. Then you will be taken to this page. Here you can see the top ranking pages for your query or keyword and select the ones that you want to use as a reference for creating guidelines for your content. This choice affects the suggestions provided by the editor such as the subtopics, the questions, the keywords and the optimization tips. You may want to select your true competitors and pages matching your expected content type. It's advised to select at least 5 pages, but you can select more or less depending on your preference. You will also be able to alter the selection later on below the content score, okay. Here you can see a table with the top ranking pages for this query along with their Google rank, content score, length, page title and URL. The content score is measure of how well the page matches the user intent and the SEO best practices based on NeuronWriter semantic analysis and AI algorithms. Now I can select the pages that I want to use as a reference for creating guidelines for my content. I can do this by checking the boxes. I can also preview the pages by clicking on the URL to see how they look and what they contain. For example, I'm going to select these top 5 pages as my references. I think these pages are good examples of the type of content that I want to create, and they have high content scores and Google ranks. Once I select the pages that I want to use as a reference, I can click on the Update Competitor Selection and Continue button. Then you will be taken to this page. So this is the content editor page, and this is the main feature of NeuronWriter, where you can plan, write and optimize your content. It has several options that you can access from the left hand panel, such as Write. Next is Plan. Here you can plan your content using the Content Planner feature. Okay. Then Manage. From here you can manage your content using the Content Manager feature. You can also see the content score, the content status and the content performance of your published content. Then Team. Here you can collaborate with your team members using the Team feature. You can add, remove or edit your team members. Then in this project settings, you can configure your project settings such as the project name, the project description, the project language, the project country and the project keywords. You can also see the project details and the project keywords of your content. Next is Open Search Visibility. Here you can connect your Google Search Console account using the Search Console feature. Then Internal Links Suggestions. From here you can see and add some internal links to your content to make it more connected and authoritative. NeuronWriter will show you some internal links suggestions that are relevant to your keyword and topic, and you can choose the ones that you like or add your own internal links. Next, Content Ideas. Here you can see and explore some next content ideas for your project based on your own and competitors' content. NeuronWriter will show you some next content ideas that are related to your keyword and topic, and you can choose the ones that you like or create your own next content ideas. Then this is Search Console. From here you can connect your Google Search Console account. Okay. Comments. This feature allows you to add, delete or edit your comments. You can also see the comments of your content. Then this is your content score. Okay. Then select competitors. From here you can see and select the competitors that you want to use as a reference for creating guidelines for your content. You can choose from the top 10, top 30 or a custom. And here you can see we have 4 options. First is terms. From here you can see the terms that NeuronWriter suggests for you to use in your content based on the keyword research and the semantic analysis. These terms are divided into basic and expanded categories, and they help you enrich your content and make it more relevant to the query and the user intent. You can also see the terms in headings, which are the terms that you should use in your H1, H2 and H3 headings. You can also use the auto insert feature, which automatically inserts the terms into your content based on the best SEO and NLP practices. So the next option is outline. From here you can see the outline that NeuronWriter creates for you based on the subtopics and questions that it finds from the top ranking pages. This helps you plan and structure your content in a clear and logical way. You can also add or edit the outline as you wish. The next option is AI writing. This feature allows you to generate some content for you using the AI writing feature. NeuronWriter has several AI writing templates that you can choose from, such as one-click blog from article based on your outline, then advanced blog article outline with H1, H3 headings and more. You just need to select the template, enter some keywords or sentences and click on generate button. NeuronWriter will then produce some unique and engaging content for you based on the template and the input that you provided. You can also edit, delete or rewrite the content as you wish. The next option is media. This feature allows you to add some images, videos or audio files to your content to make it more visually appealing and informative. NeuronWriter will show you some media suggestions that are relevant to your keyword and topic, and you can choose the ones that you like or upload your own media files. Okay, so these are all the features of NeuronWriter. I have tried to explain you all the options in detail, right? Now I will show you how you can write your content. So click on this title. Here you can see the suggestions for the title that NeuronWriter generates for you. These suggestions are based on the analysis of the top ranking pages for your keyword, as well as the best SEO and NLP practices. You can also see the percentage of relevance for each suggestion, which indicates how well the suggestion matches your keyword and topic. Then you can see the description option. Here you can write your description using these keywords. These keywords are suggested by NeuronWriter. You can also see the percentage of relevance for each suggestion, which indicates how well the suggestion matches your keyword and topic. You can also see your competitors' meta, which are the titles and descriptions of the top ranking pages for your keyword. This helps you analyze and compare how your competitors are crafting their snippets and what you can do to improve yours. Okay. Once you are happy with your title and description, you can click on the save and close button, and NeuronWriter will save your title and description and update your content score accordingly. And here you have to write your entire article using these suggested keywords, and also you can use this AI writing feature to write your article. Okay, as you can see, NeuronWriter is a powerful and easy to use tool that can help you create high ranking content in minutes. It's like having a professional SEO consultant and a talented writer in one tool. It can save you a lot of time, money and effort and help you grow your online presence and authority. So don't forget to click the link in the description box below and get NeuronWriter for a lifetime at a 10% discount. Trust me, you won't regret it. NeuronWriter is one of the best tools that I have ever used for my content creation and SEO, and I'm sure you will love it too. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments about NeuronWriter, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.